Molweni bethunana. Sithetha ngoKenny Kunene, uMr Sushi. Niyamkhumbula kaloku uKenny Kunene. Kenny Kunene ngulo waye kwi-EFF. Niyamkhumbula kwi-organization le kaJulius Malema. So uKenny Kunene uthi ke i-EFF wayiqala kunguye noFloyd Shivambu naye ke uJulius Malema. Uthi the time babegxothwa kwi-ANC Youth League. Niyakhumbula istory sabo mos noSindiso Magaqa, Julius Malema, Floyd Shivambu begxothwa ngendlela yokungaziphathi. So wahlala kancinci ke uJulius Malema, uSindiso Magaqa wabuyela eMzimkhulu, uJulius Malema waya eLimpopo beno Floyd Shivambu Limpopo Polokwane. So uthi ke uKenny Kunene nguye umuntu owaye wayiphusha lento into ba yabona ke you need to capitalize on the youth of this country now. Njengoba ke oMosiwa Likota bephume bathatha i-youth endala, otata ababadala, nina ke nizophuma nithathe i-youth. Uthi ke hayi ke yafonywa ke i-EFF yayi company or organization votelwayo, bacanvasa, benza yonke into. Kuthe kuhambeni kwexesha ke ndiyacinga into babanga izikhundla. Noko ndingekhumbuli kahle into ba intoni eyamkhuphayo kwi-EFF, kodwa inoba babanga i-positions ke because kaloku uJulius Malema besenguye upresident, and then abanye ke benezinye ke izikhundla, kodwa nje yonke into ibi manejwa nguye uJulius Malema. Okay, ingxaki izoqala apho ke esebonakala khona ingxaki yangoku, because kudala baxabana, mane bexabana kuvela izinto kwimedia nani, kodwa nje recent ingxabano ivele after Kenny Kunene ebonakale ekwa Katie Molefe the time wayeyobanjwa khona. Niyakhumbula kaloku into ba iPKTT yayiyobamba umlefe uKatie Molefe, ma-charges wakhe ke niyawazi mos lawo ka-Amanswart namanye DJ Sambodi nani. So wathe yobanjwa ke kwafika kukhona Kenny Kunene, Mr Sushi, umngani wakhe uGayton Mackenzie, niyamazi mos. Hayi fika ekwa Katie Molefe wabuza into obuzokwenzani, uthi hayi watsho into ba yena bebezofuna some information, uhamba ne-journalist, kwathi ngongathangani. So kuthiwa ke uJulius Malema waye wathetha into ba abantu abaye bathi xa ngabe kusiwa kwi-criminals kufikwe bekhona tontonton. So without wasting any time uKenny Kunene ebe-invitwe ke kwi-podcast ka MacG and Chill. Apho atheke xa ibuza ngoJulius Malema wathi, no, don't tell me about that small boy. He's just a small boy, that one. Uthanda nje ukuthetha. Hayi waqhubeleka ke uthi, hayi you know what, lamntu lowana uye apha xa ngabe efuna ukubonakala, he pretend into ba akabathandi abantu abamhlophe, ekubeni into ba ehlala kwi-backyard kaMazothi. Uyamkhumbula kaloku uMazothi into ba kulo uyi-cigarette tycoon onemali. So kuthiwa ke i-EFF vele ifandwa nguMazothi, naye zange ayiphike ke lonto leyo. So uthi ke uKenny Kunene uhlalile for years kwi-backyard yakwaMazothi. Wavuma into ba wabhatala irent, vele ubebhatala irent khona. Uthi ke uKenny Kunene into edlekesayo, uyambona nje uJulius Malema, if bengela xesha bekusableachwa wayezobleacha abe Michael Jackson. If wayecelebrate utsho njalo, abe nguMichael Jackson, afane noMichael Jackson okanye noKhanyi Mbawo. ngoba uyakuthanda uba white, kodwa xa ngabe evela kwi-supporters ze-EFF ubonakala njengomntu othi wena u-anti-white ton. Abesephinda ke athi iphinde indixake nalento athi yena he's not linked with criminals, or he is not linked with criminals. Okokuqala uthi wayesemngcwabeni kaMswazi, uJotham Mswazi Msibi. The time eshonile waya uJulius Malema. Ngiyamkhumbula mos into yoba ke uJotham Mswazi Msibi ngu-taxi boss nje, lo abathi ke yi-boss ye-cartels. Asiyazi ke allegedly. So uJulius Malema kuthiwa wathetha emngcwabeni kale taxi boss uMswazi, and no Bheki Cele, uthi no Bheki Cele wenza ispeech, noFikile Mbalula wenza ispeech apha kwaMswazi kule farm yakwaMswazi. Kuthiwa ke engaqali ke uJulius Malema, uthi uJulius Malema visited the farm on numerous occasions. Uthi that guy would drive at night aye kwaBaba Msibi. Once nje I receive a call yoba uyadingeka, even at 2 a.m. anga driver aye kwaBaba Msibi ngendlela le awayeseyihamba ngayo la ndlela. Uphinda athi ke it is alleged into yoba uJotham Msibi lo Mswazi gave him 8 bakkies. Uba ke 8 bakkies wayemnikela ubazozithini, uthi kodwa uyacinga into yoba ezibhaki ke wayezozisebenzisa kwi-EFF. So bavelelana like baveze ngizothini, sebekhuphelana ii-secrets ngoku into yoba ubani wathini uyabona. So ke ngoku uthi ke hayi uzireceive i-summons zika from uJulius Malema. Apparently uJulius Malema now is suing uKenny Kunene for defamation of character, zonke ezi zinto azithethayo kwi-media into yoba yena unjena. Uthi ke ngoku uKenny Kunene, jonga ke mna I have a witness that is going to give a testimony that uJulius Malema brought a bag ye-Louis Vuitton inemali engange 80,000 yayibala, and uthi lo muntu lo nguGalito Ntsibande, lo Galito Ntsibande owayirana or a right hand man kababa uJotham Mswazi Msibi. So uthi hayi no uzokunika i-testimony nje atsho into yoba no, lento ethethwa ngoKenny Kunene inyani, uJulius Malema CIC unje. So asazi ke into yoba izophelela ithini ke, kodwa ke umsuwa for i-1 million. Uthi ke soze ayinuke ke lo 1 million, he must go kwi-corporate amba yofuna umsebenzi if ufuna imali, angahambi efuna imali ngale ndlela. So ke asazi uba izophelela phi ke into yabo ke bephuma ezikhothi ntoni. Uye aziphendulele ke uJulius Malema xa ngabe ebuzwa into yoba wena umazi njani lo tata lo oyi-top taxi boss. Uthi ke yena there is no way yoba ebephendula lanto kaNhlanhla Mkhwanazi, uthi there is no way into yoba angamazi uMswazi Msibi, ngoba xa ngabe bene-rally they are being sponsored by these people, these taxi bosses. Ngiyakhumbula kaloku into yoba ubephinde abeyi-president ye-Santaco. So uneteksi lo muntu lona eziyi-200, more than 200 watsho ufana inkosi kwimadlanga ntoba uneteksi ezi more than 200. That is why eba no cash abalapha ko 600,000, because bayakhesha apha abantu ntontontonton. So uthi ke uJulius Malema no, angeke ndiqamba amanga ndithi andimazi. Vele bendinabo ubudlelwane naye because ubesponsorisha nge-transport. If usidinga ibhasi kuyiwa kwi-conference ethile njenge-party, we would get i-sponsorship from these taxi bosses. Asoze ndiqambe amanga. So umntu ke xa ngabe ndimbona at a face value, ngeke ndikwazi ukuthi into yoba njengoba engumntu nje during the day, ebusuku wenza ntoni, andilazi icala lakhe lobu criminal. So indlela ke aziphendulela ngayo ke uJulius Malema. Sizobona ke ba izozala nkomoni. Khona ivideo ke ezolandela iveza ke uKenny Khumalo. uKenny Kunene sedithi uKenny Khumalo yo yakhe. uKenny Kunene echaza ke ngokunokwakhe into yokuba uJulius Malema wenzani. Thank you so much for watching. Yo bethunana ndiyabulela, ndiyabona niya subscribe, niya comment. Thank you so very much. Bye bye.
You know, Julius is calling this man Molefe names. But what is interesting is that the man who is late now, who was the businessman of Molefe, Julius would drive at 12 midnight, at 2 o'clock when that man calls and drive to his farm.
No way.
Drive to his farm.
Oh, who's the man?
Mswazi.
Oh, yes. The late.
Julius will drive to his farm.
Dino Gang, the farm in Dino Gang.
Yes.
Whoa.
After Vetterfeld.
You.
Julius will leave the bedroom here of Mazzotti and drive to that man's house. Julius paid protection, I don't know from who.
Who's Mazzotti?
Now, this man and that man were friends. They knew each other. So now that one is dead and this one has a problem, you are now saying this one is this one is dead, this one is dead. That's hypocritical. He was right in their second. He was right in their second.
Oh, wow.
I was at the funeral of Mswazi because I am an MMC of transport. The taxi industry is my stakeholder.
Oh, yes.
It was a big taxi boss.
Yes.
And I went there. He lives in the backyard of Mazzotti, a white person. He says he's not afraid to go to prison, but he goes to get a white woman social worker to come and plead for him. So when it suits him, white people are useful. When he addresses his crowds, white people are evil. So that is Julius, and I'm making that example to show that he speaks for what suits the narrative at that particular time.
What's your gripe with him? I mean, if you guys started EFF together, I thought you guys...
You want to share a vision?
Yeah, she shared a vision.
Julius, when he was in the youth league, I supported the youth league. All of them. And when we opened ZA, he used to come there.
Yeah, remember, there was someone who told us he used to vomit there.
He used to drink until he drops. That would be a nice hip-hop line. So, I didn't have a problem with the boy, but the boy is sick. You know, the closer you get to a person, and to realize that, but this person is not doing anything for the benefit of the public, for the benefit of what he claims to stand for, but is for him. Julius envies white people. The revolution can kill white people, and there's nothing wrong with that. Why are you living with white people? Why are you eating from their crumbs? It is a white person that handed a rifle to Julius to fire at the rally. Why are you associated with this white person? Why is it that your security is all white people? Why is it that where you are governing, This security company owned by this white man who gave you a raffle is the one that is getting tenders everywhere. So why are you being carried by white people if they are so evil? What you see? So for me, I decided to walk away from that boy because I realized that he's a danger unto himself. He is a danger unto himself. Nelson Mandela once said, a man, and they were asking him, you are saying Yasser Arafat is your comrade in arms and Fidel Castro and Muammar Gaddafi. And the Jews are fighting with Yasser Arafat. The American government does not hate Fidel Castro or Muammar Gaddafi. You are coming to this Congress here that is run by Jews. How do you expect them to help you if you are calling their enemies brothers in arms? And Nelson Mandela said, a man who speaks, the revolution can kill white people and there's nothing wrong with that. Why are you living with white people? Why are you eating from their crumbs? It is a white person that handed a rifle to Julius to fire at the rally. Why are you associated with this white person? Why is it that your security is all white people? Why is it that where you are governing, this security company owned by this white man who gave you a raffle is the one that is getting tenders everywhere? So why are you being carried by white people if they are so evil? What you see? So for me, I decided to walk away from that boy because I realized that he's a danger unto himself. He is a danger unto himself. Nelson Mandela once said, a man, and they were asking him, you are saying Yasser Arafat is your comrade in arms and Fidel Castro and Muammar Gaddafi. And the Jews are fighting with Yasser Arafat. The American government does not hate Fidel Castro or Muammar Gaddafi. You are coming to this Congress here that is run by Jews. How do you expect them to help you if you are calling their enemies brothers in arms? And Nelson Mandela said, a man who speaks. Malema has body shamed old women. He has gone into families. He has body shamed women who are old enough to be his great-grandmothers in the name of politics. He has spoken about private affairs of other political leaders. But when I do the same, he always runs to the court. This is the third case that he is taking me to court with. So Julius says that I called him a boy on the MacG podcast, which is true. He is a small boy. I'm 10 years older than Julius, therefore he is a small boy. His argument is that calling him a boy is racist, because which is laughable. He says that during apartheid, white people used to call black people boys. Therefore, I am being racist. That's quite a laughable desperation. And then I said that he envies white people. And if he were a musician, he would have bleached his skin worse than Michael Jackson. And I still maintain that because when you look at Julius and his association with white people is that of envy. He does not hate them. When he's in front of EFF crowds, he pretends to hate white people when he actually envies them.